Hello everyone. So today we are going to see 12 reasons why your Google ads not getting any impressions. Now the first one is 2 minutes. Yeah, the first one is the low search volume. Just check your keywords whether the keywords are having enough search volume or not. Always use the high intent keywords, the relevant keywords, and the most important thing is the keyword should have a good search volume. When the keyword does not have a search volume, it will never show on Google Ads platform much. Now, the second one is make sure that the campaign is enabled. If the campaign is paused, it will never show your ads to the user. Sometimes what happen when you create the campaign, you forgot to make it enable. Okay, so always check whether all your campaigns, your ad groups, your ad groups, and the keywords are enabled. None of the keywords are paused. Third one is check your ad rank. Your bid or quality score is too low to enter the auction. See, if you see here, you are there with having impression share less than 10%. Your competitor is having impression share of 52, and the second competitor is having impression share of 30%. So always check whether you have the good impression share as compared to your competitors or not, and always check the quality score of the keywords and make sure that you increase the quality score of all the keywords. Third one is the budget is too low. If you put $5 a per day budget, and if your location is way too having high competition, then you will never get into that auction. So always check your budget. Always don't put $5 nowadays. Always start with like $15, $20 per day budget. If you're using a $5 budget, then try to increase it slowly. Like if today it is $5 budget, and if you're not getting impressions, increase it to $10, then increase it to $15, $20, like that. If budget is too low, then it will never enter into the auction. The fifth issue is the keyword issues. Only restrictive match types or irrelevant keywords can limit eligibility. If you're using phrase match, if you're using only exact match, sometimes what happens when you use these match types, it will never show your ads to the user because this particular exact match and phrase match does not have much search volume, so it will never go into the proper auction. So in that case, you can try using broad match keywords. So always test the keywords between different match type. If one match type is not getting enough search volume, try different match type. The sixth one is the audience or location is way too narrow. If you see here, if you're targeting any particular zip code or particular any location which does not have that much impressions and that much searches, then your ad will not show to the user. So always check the locations which you're targeting in the campaign. If they are very precise one, then it may not show your ads to the users. Next one is check your ads are approved or disapproved. If the ads are disapproved, obviously it will not show your ads to customers. So what you have to do when you create the campaign, always check everything, whether all your campaigns, ad groups, and keywords are enabled or not, and check all the ad copies are approved or not. Next one is the billing problems. Your account is on hold. Maybe if you're having any billing issues, maybe you're not having enough credit in your bank account, just make sure that you have enough funds in your bank account to start this particular Google Ads campaign. So make sure that it doesn't have any error and your account is not on hold when you start the campaign. Now the next one is the scheduling restrictions. Ads are only eligible during specific days or hour. For example, if you see here, the ads are not eligible on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and even from Monday to Thursday, the ads are eligible only till this time range. So in that case, your ads will not show to enough users. So make sure that when you start all the campaigns, it is eligible for all days. Okay, unless you're not providing any services on particular weekends, then at that time it is fine. But make sure that initial, when you start any campaign, make sure that it's eligible for at least all hours of a day, and later on after 1 month you can optimize it based on the performance of that particular timing. Okay, now the next one is the new campaign learning. Obviously when you start any newly launched campaigns, may take some time before they begin receiving impressions. So at that time, give it time. Okay, and avoid frequent changes, because when you start any campaign, it will always show in the learning and limited by learning. So give some time, and in that particular period of time, don't do much changes. The next one is the negative keywords are blocking the obviously the traffic. So when you start in a new campaign, make sure that you add the negative keywords properly. You're not blocking any keywords. For example, if you're including dentist near me as a keyword in your campaign, and if you're adding dentist as a negative keyword, then it will never serve your ad to any of the dentist keyword. So make sure that you're adding the keywords in the negative list very properly. Check that negative keyword list once in like once in 7 days or 15 days. Make sure you're not blocking any relevant keywords. And next one is the conversion focus bidding. Okay, strategies like maximize conversions or target CPA may reduce impressions if there isn't enough conversion history. So when you start any campaign, make sure that it is not on maximize conversions and TCPA, because when you start any new campaigns, your campaign has not generated any conversions yet, right? It has just started. At that time, this bidding strategy will not work. Okay, so never start your campaign with max conversions. Let the campaign run for 1 or 2 months, let it generate enough conversions, and then you can do the A/B testing and start with different bid strategy. So this was all about why your Google ads are not getting impressions. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.